In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Planner 5D on PC. First of all, if you try to download Planner 5D directly from its website, you might notice that there is no clear download button available for the desktop version. That's because the easiest way to install it on a PC is through the official app stores available on your system. If you are using Windows, go to the search box at the bottom left of your screen and type Store. In the search results, you will see Microsoft Store. If you are using a Mac, the process is similar, but instead you need to open the Mac App Store by searching for it. Once you have opened the store on your device, look for the search bar at the top and type in Planner 5D. Then press Enter. In the search results, you will find the Planner 5D application. Click on it to open its page, and then click on the Get or Install button. This will start the download and installation process, and you simply need to wait until it is completed. After the installation is finished, the button will change from Get to Open. Click on Open, and the Planner 5D application will launch on your PC. Once it opens, you can log into your account or sign up if you are new, and then start creating your projects directly on your computer. And this is how you can install Planner 5D on PC.